back to the other phone that looks like crap. Resume gameplay. This is gonna suck. I hear water. There should be a bridge. The bridge is behind me. Follow the edge of the water. Follow the edge of the water. Oh la 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 la. Oh. This is gonna suck. Gonna suck. Gonna. Scary noises. Hooray. There. Why are the scary noises all the fuck ready? I don't like this. I am playing this for two people. My girlfriend and my cousin Crystal. Because, you know, they like to see me freak the fuck out. Ah! Run past the thing, run past the thing, run past the thing, grab the thing, grab the tape. Fuck! Fuck you,